Welcome back to the channel, guys, and let's dive straight into the world of Alien. So, all the way back in January, let's recap. January, we learned that Fox Next Games was working alongside Cold Iron Studios on a brand new Alien game. Now, in terms of that, there's been no news, been no update at all, but we do know that there's a game being developed. Now it seems that we may have the title for that game because, first reported by Bloody Disgusting, 20th Century Fox had recently trademarked a title called Alien Blackout. Now the type of trademark, because a lot of people will go, oh well, that could be a movie or a TV show, whatever. The type of trademark for this title is only for a video game. So let's pair that with the fact that they have announced that they're working on a game back in January. Now that they've got this trademark, it would seem that that is the title. Now there's some more rumours and rumblings that they would have announced this game at the Game Awards 2018, which, yeah, they definitely could do. Now, alongside that, the highly regarded video game designer Hideo Kojima recently visited 20th Century Fox, and he tweeted out some pictures of his visit. The only pictures that were tweeted out were him alongside Alien properties, so it would seem, again, a highly regarded video game designer at 20th Century Fox only being pictured outside Alien stuff. Maybe he's working on the Alien game as well. And to bolster that rumour, the Video Game Awards Twitter account replied to those pictures saying, "World will change." So it's all rumours for now, but it would seem the next Alien game is called Alien Blackout. It would also seem, or at least it is hinted at, and it seems likely, that Hideo Kojima may be working on it as well. And it also seems that it may be announced at the Game Awards. So I thought I'd bring you this update. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section, because that wraps it up here for me here today. If you are new to the channel, please do hit that subscribe button. Stay up to date on all the worlds of pop culture and movie news. As always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and a share. I've been Mr. H. As always, take care.